to take his fucking answers in the first place. You know what I mean?
In danger of...
No, he's not in danger. It doesn't say that.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't. That says if. I read all the grade cards. Maya says in danger of retention. It would say, if he was in danger of retention, it would say up where the numbers are.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Wednesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Affected area, the central and southern Wasatch Front including Salt Lake City. Snow accumulations, total amounts of 6 to 12 inches are expected through Wednesday morning. Timing, snow will develop this evening, becoming heavy at times overnight into Tuesday morning. The snow will gradually taper off during day Tuesday. Additional heavy snowfall can be expected south and southeast of both the Great Salt Lake and Utah Lake Tuesday night into Tuesday morning. Impacts, winter weather conditions will make travel difficult between Monday night and Tuesday morning. All area roadways will be impacted. A winter storm warning means significant accumulations of snow are expected.